The breaststroke follows the backstroke, so come off the carriage, holding the straps with one hand, take a pad if needed for traction and place it on the end of the box. Take both straps into the hands again and press forward holding the corners of the box, step over the straps and bring the knees just off the edge of the box, hands holding the corners of the box. Kick 3 times to the bottom, stretch the arms straight ahead and then lift them straight towards the ceiling and circle around. Pull the powerhouse in deeply, rotating the pelvis into the box to stretch the arms and open, reaching. A spotter presses down onto the ankles to assist, but lightly, and then you can reverse it, opening the arms first and stretching forward and then coming down, as well as a combination, kicking 3 times, stretch forward first, lift up, circle around to the back, turn the handles over, stretch back to the front, and reach, and then come home. Step over the strap to dismount, and check out our videos below.